The police have stepped up their investigation into how a 4-year-old boy died after he was allegedly locked in his teacher's car on the compound of the Desto Bennett Early Childhood Development Center for hours. The child was reportedly found sometime after 2 p.m. by his teacher, who was heard screaming after opening her car and finding the child motionless. Kirk Wright tells us more.
There were no classes at the Desto Bennett Basic School on Friday, but Jordane's relatives and well-wishers lingered on the compound for hours, hoping the principal would have turned up with some explanation. Jordane's distraught grandmother mustered the courage to show us his classroom and told us he sat next to his teacher.
This is his seat. Every morning I come and clean it up with disinfectant, move wipe out. Oh, God.
Since face-to-face classes resumed, his grandmother said she's the one who took him to and from school every morning, except for 2 days when she requested his teacher's assistance. Thursday is one of those days, the very day they got the distress call from the Bustamante Hospital for Children. They were told Jordane was found on the school compound, locked in his teacher's car sometime after 2 when school dismissed. The skin on the child's face and hand showed signs of peeling. The grandmother said she spoke briefly to his teacher at the hospital after her grandson was pronounced dead.
I started to cry. I'm going to her. I said, Auntie Nella, what you do to your grandson? Why you carry man kill him? She said, no, she don't kill him. She come in school, and when she come, she just come out the car and went into the kitchen, and she thinking, come out with the rest of the kids. So for the whole message, so for the whole day, you don't see me, I wasn't looking for him. She said she noticed she don't see him for a man, but she think him on the ball field playing with the rest of the kids. She go back, she said to me, she think my daughter come film from school. So I said, Auntie Nella, you have my number, you have the mother number, you don't call and find out, you don't call and tell us you don't see the kid from morning. And all she do is just sit staring in my face.
We learned that the school was celebrating Jamaica Day and that no individual classes were kept. Instead, all the students were packed in one area observing the displays, playing and enjoying the music. The grandmother said it's most upsetting that the teacher seemingly cared little about the child's whereabouts after realizing she had not seen him around.
She been telling me she think him come out the car with the rest of the kids. She think him was playing on the ball field. She think my daughter come and pick him up. It hurt. It burned for a big person like she a teacher. It's his teacher, you know. That's why I felt so safe, knowing that it's his teacher that teach him. She take him to school and she bring him back home. You know how safe that I feel? That's why it was the safest way for jailer.
Jordane's father says there's something about how his child died that's not adding up. But he says he's going to miss the bond he was building with his son.
No, right now I'm confused. My mind not even there. They truth. All over the place, my mind there right now. All over the place. Son call me every night and tell me what happened at school. Me and my son talk, laugh. To them for go pick up my son and say me I can have him for the weekend and make him go back home for go to school. And him gone. No more J.
The police kept watch at the school while the family and friends vented. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.